Welcome back to MrYouWho, Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm so excited today to be reviewing the JBL Tour Pro 2, as you can see here. Now, why I'm so excited is I reviewed the JBL Tour Pro about 12 months ago and found it to be an exceptional pair of earbuds. And what JBL have done now is they've improved it so much more. You see, the JBL Tour Pro 2 comes with a heap of new features. Now, to start with, look at this case. Now, the case has a 1.45-inch touchscreen that you can actually use to control all the different functions of your phone. Whether you want to change the equalizer setting, change tracks, enables you to do it all here. Now, not only that, but the actual sound quality is fantastic. It's got spatial sound. It's also got 6 microphones as well for excellent quality sound so you can hear people around you. Now, in this review, we're going to be looking at all the different features. So I'm going to start with doing an unboxing so you can see what comes in the headphones. You can have a look at it. Then I'm going to go and test out how to set it up, look at the different features of it. Then I'm going to go and test out the sound so you can see what it sounds like. We're going to use it out and about so you can see what it's like using it at the gym, out walking, so you get an idea of what it's like. We're then going to go and have a look at the app to see what the app's like, see all the different functions. But you're going to find that these earbuds really are exceptional. Now, these are priced around $250 in Australia, and I believe they're worth every cent. And they're a great alternative to, say, the Apple AirPods. Now, as you can see, there's a design there of the earbud, which we're going to have a look shortly. Now, as you can see, look at that quality design. And the thing I like about it is it fits so well in the ear. It's got a fantastic design. And going back to the case, so there's a case with the 1.45-inch display. As you can see, doesn't that look exceptional? It really is good. Now, they've done a heap of different features in here. So we're going to have a look shortly. You can see, for example, how 10mm drivers really create good sound, how it's got a fantastic balanced soundstage, and really about how all the different features work to make it exceptional. But anyway, don't want to talk any longer. Let's go and jump in now and have a look at the JBL Tour Pro 2. And as always, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, but also click on the notification button as well, so you get all the different videos of all my tech reviews. Anyway, let's jump into it now at MrYouWho. Okay, let's take a look at the JBL Tour Pro 2 case. There you can see there's a display at the front as well as the earbuds. Again, standard JBL case, looks really good. Let's pop it open and see what comes in here. So there we are. So nice packaging. So here's the setup instructions, which you can use. Let's take the plastic part out here. Now here's the case. Now, again, it's got an LCD display case in there, and surprisingly enough, it's not that big considering the fact that I've actually got a screen in here. There you go, it turns on straight away. So there you can see is the display. We're going to look at that shortly. And there's the earbuds in there. What does it come with? Well, it also comes with different ear tips you can use as well. So you've got the ear tips there, and you've got the charging cable there as well. Bearing in mind, these also use wireless charging too, which is excellent. And there's the instruction booklet too. So just a standard JBL instruction booklet that it comes with. Let's push those to the side, and let's take a look at the actual earbuds themselves. Now, straight away, I love the look at this case. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, you can basically change the display by swiping left or right. So if we go this way, so there's the sound volume you can change. There's the ambient sound, so you can turn on ANC, active noise cancelling, ambient sound, or turn it off. There's different types of equalizers too. You can also set it for timer. So there's all the different features, which we'll go through again shortly and kind of share with you guys. But I really like it. You can also have notifications on here as well to let you know, if you've got calls or text coming through. I find this really, really handy. And again, there's the size compared to my hand, and there's the thickness. So it's a good size. You can actually carry that around. And there's the Tour Pro 2 insignia on there as well. So let's take a quick look at the earbuds. So now you get 40 hours of battery life with the case, with the earbuds. And the earbuds themselves come with about 10 hours in each earbud, which I think's really, really good. So there's the earbuds there. Now, as you can see, they've got 6 microphones in the earbuds, which makes for good sound quality. We'll test out the microphones later so we can go through that. So they're the earbuds there. Now, I think they look really, really nice. Now, when I put these on, what I'll talk about shortly is I've got a really good seal in my ear. And we're going to talk about how good the noise cancelling was from that. But there you are. So there's the size compared to my finger. There's both of them there. Now, I think they look really good. And they fit really well on the ears with these seals. Again, you can change it with the ear tips you've got there. And there's the earplugs there as well. So you've got different sizes depending on what you want. And again, you've got the 6 microphones there as well that you can use. So it uses Bluetooth 5.3. They also use JBL Quick Start, which means they connect very quickly to your phone. So there's the earbuds in the cases. But then again, let's go back to this case. I think it looks really cool. You can change the display, let's unlock it. So you can press that to start playing the headphones. It gives you the charging, gives you all the different battery percentages as well. It's really good. So we'll talk shortly about how we can actually customize this and have a look. Again, you can change the wallpaper depending on what you want to use. So if we go that way, so you can change the different color screens. Now again, you do get a lot of, you can actually change the display as well through the JBL app, what you want to have showing on here. We'll go through that as well later. But I think the display really does add to it. It's a really unique feature and I love using it. So there's a JBL Tour one there. How easy are the JBL Tour Pro 2 to set up? As you can see, here's the case here. As you turn it on, the LCD screen comes up straight away. Now what you do is you just literally just take them out. Now as you can see, there's the earbud just there. As you can see, it's already paired. You put that in your ear like this, and put the other one in your ear, and basically it connects straight away to your phone. So you go to your phone, select the connection, and it works straight away. Very, very straightforward. Now these earbuds, like other JBL earbuds, have the same controls as well. So you can do ambient aware by pressing a button there. You can do noise cancelling. You can switch noise cancelling off. You can change tracks, pause, play tracks. You can also call, say, Google Siri Assistant by asking for them. So it's all done through your earbuds. Now the great thing is with the case as well now, is if you want to carry this with you as well, you can actually do different things. So you can, for example, play music, equalizer in the settings. There's all these things you can do with the case as well. Now what about the comfort wise? Well, as you can see here in my ears, they fit very, very well. They have a perfect seal within my ears, so they don't move at all. Let me try my little head banging test. Yeah, see, they don't move at all. They fit very, very comfortable, which means that the earbuds fit very, very well, and they have a great seal. Now they have other tips as well that you can get from the case if you wish to use it, but I found they fit very well. And I think the design of them is a quality premium build as well. They do fit really nice in the ears, so yeah, they feel very, very good. So the great new thing about the unique smart charging case, it allows you to direct access all key earbud features without even using the smartphone app. So all app features are accessible via the smart case, even from non-smartphone devices. Now the headphone apps features without using your phone, you can actually simply touch the case and use a 1.45-inch display for a seamless experience. Now the great thing is, in regards to smart case, it also controls the earbud settings. You can manage calls and playback. You can control your audio settings and battery level and set your alarm without taking out your phone. Now this is the true seamless experience for the JBL Tour Pro 2, and it's unique to what I've seen in the marketplace as well. I haven't seen any other phones actually, any other earbuds actually with a case like this, so I find it a really great feature that they've got. Just adaptive noise cancelling with smart ambient. So the adaptive noise cancelling technology automatically uses 4 noise sensing mics to adjust your surroundings in real time. It minimizes distractions when you need to focus and optimize the JBL. It also gives you and a smart ANC works very, very well, which we'll show you shortly. The actual earbuds themselves have 6 mics built into them as well, which is great. So 6 mics means that you can actually get clear sound as well. We're going to test that out shortly so you can see what it's like. Now they also have, again, the JBL Pro sound as well. So they've got 10mm drivers in place, and this means the music, as always with JBL, is absolutely fantastic. It sounds very, very good. And they also have personal sound amplification. So this means that you can actually balance and amplify conversations plus or minus 15 to 20 decibels, which means if you want it to come out louder, it does work. Now again, it's got fast pair as well. You've got wireless charging with it, and also the JBL headphones app we'll go to shortly really does add to the music. And also with these, it comes with 5.3 Bluetooth audio as well. And the JBL Tour Pro 2 are also IPX5 as well, which means you can underwater as well, which is fantastic. Here I'm using the noise cancelling, and the noise cancelling on these is excellent. I couldn't actually hear an ambulance that came past me, which is great. This is because they've got the great seal, but also the noise cancelling technology they've used. I'd say they're probably among there with the best noise cancelling earbuds I've used. I really enjoy using them. And here at the gym as well, you can't hear the gym music in the background playing because of the noise cancelling. They fit very well in the ears, and they're very, very comfortable. I think because of the seal in them, they sit great in the ears. So when you're using them in the workouts, they don't move at all, and with the IPX rating, they don't sweat as well. They're great. Now the JBL Tour Pro 2 app is a great accompaniment to the earbuds. Now as you can see, it gives you different options. So for example, you can actually go in here and set up the earbuds. You can check what the best fit is for your ears. You can test the ANC as well. You can also set up voice assistant as well and get product tips. So you can, we'll do that, we won't do that now in this. You can also set up the ambient sound control too. So you've got the ANC, the ambient aware, and also the talk through as well. So the great thing is, So you've got the different options depending on the environment you're in as well. And there's the equalizer settings. So again, you can set these depending on what you like. To be honest, I find with the earbuds, it's good to customize your own setting depending on the type of music you like to listen to. And here's a spatial sound as well. Now, I did use this when I was watching movies, for example, and I was watching Star Wars, and I found spatial sound really did add a lot of music, a lot of input to the sound. It sounded really, really good. And music became a lot more stronger as well. So this is a very, very handy feature if you want more depth to your music and to your sound. Again, so this is where you can change your gestures as well. So you could choose how you want it to appear with your earbuds. If we go and have a look at the smart audio as well, so you've got video mode as well. Now with the video mode, you switch that on, there's no latency as well. So literally you can go and have music in your ears, watching the movies, and it works very, very well. If we go down, you've got voice assistant, check my ponds, find my buds if you lose them. Here you can change the smart case settings as well. So you can change how it appears. So you can change the brightness, you can change the screensavers on there. You can also put message notification on there as well, which I think is really handy to see messages are coming up if you're using the earbuds, and also feature shortcuts as well. So you can go and change all those in your settings. Now if we step back a minute as well, and you can do the power saving on there as well. So as you can see, the JBL Tour Pro 2 is completely customizable for the app. So whether you want to use the case or whether you want to use the app, you've got different options with the JBL Pro 2, which I think is absolutely fantastic.
It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in
Sorry guys, again I got lost in the music. The sound with the JBL Tour Pro 2 is absolutely fantastic and really do reflect what you're paying for with these earbuds. You see around $350 Australian for these earbuds at the moment, and it's worth every single dollar. It's up there with the Apple AirPods. And I'll say the reason being is because you've got the JBL soundstage, which JBL have been developing for years, and it really is perfect. You see the midriffs, the trebles, the bass comes out really clearly. Now I was listening to some London house music then, which I really like listening to. It was very, very clear, came out strongly. I was listening to some classical music as well. You know the Game of Thrones soundtrack? I mean, you could really hear the pumping of the music going up to the crescendo. It really was fantastic. All in all, fantastic earbuds, and they sound really, really good. So, wow, guys, well, how was that? The JBL Tour Pro 2 really are a fantastic set of earbuds. Now, I'd say the case. Now, I've read a lot of people saying that they think the case is just a gimmick. I actually found this really well to use at the gym. You see, by popping out your earbuds, put them in your ears, and then being able to go and change the case, whether you're out and about on the go, you can just go and change different settings on here, and it's so easy to go and adjust it because it gives you another point of view without having to carry your phone around. It's really good. I found the case to be exceptional, but also how it shows you the battery life on there as well. That's also a big plus because, yeah, it does work really, really well. The noise cancelling on these I found fantastic, as I showed you. I walked across a road and I saw you in the traffic, and I couldn't actually hear the traffic, which to me is exceptional. Using it at the gym as well, I couldn't hear the surround sound in the gym speakers, which is excellent. All in all, they're a great pair of earbuds. The 6 mics as well work really well. 4 noise sensing mics allows you to adjust to surroundings in real time, minimizing distractions that you need to focus on. The ANC mode works really, really well. The smart ambient technology was fantastic as well, so I could hear people when I'm walking around. And again, the JBL Pro sound really did stand out with these. It really is an exceptional pair of earbuds. And also using the spatial sound as well, it added so much more depth to the music and really allowed me to get involved. It was fantastic. Adjust the amplification of the noise. You can do your hands-free on there. You can do Swift pair through Bluetooth. It really is an exceptional pair of earbuds, and I do recommend them. So if you wish to purchase, there's links in the description below, and make sure you let us know what you think of the JBL Tour Pro 2. But these are a fantastic pair of earbuds.